Assalamu alaikum. Oxford Progressive English Class 5, Unit number 9. Page number is 50. We are going to study lesson number 4, that is about sentence making. This lesson will help us in making sentences. Exercise 1 is about joining the phrases. In this exercise, we are given two phrases. We have to join them and make sentences in our notebook. You can see there are two columns. In column number 1 or in left column, the first phrase is early farmers. Early farmer is the phrase that we are going to use in the start of every sentence. Keeping this phrase aside, we have two columns. In one column, we are told what things they use, and in the second column we are told to make what. So in the first column, early farmers used small bones and strong grasses to sew animal skins. Like the sentence, complete sentence is written on the top. Early farmers used small bones and strong grasses to sew animal skins. In the same way, we need to make all these sentences. The columns are matched. Following the example, you are going to write these sentences in your notebooks. It's better you use a rough notebook. The second sentence would be, early farmers sewed skins together to make clothes. Third, early farmers sewed leaves together to make shelters. Complete this exercise. We will move to our next exercise, that is clause. This is a concept from the study corner at page number 50. Clause is basically a group of words that has a subject and a verb. We have already discussed what is a clause in previous lessons. We will just revise it. Look at sentence, the cat is angry at the rat. In this sentence, the cat is subject, is angry, verb. The group of words that have a subject and a verb is called clause. So, the cat is angry at the rat is a clause. One sentence can have more than one clause. Look at the sentence. The cat is angry at the rat because the rat is teasing him. So, there are two clauses, which means these two clauses must have verbs and subjects. Look at the clauses. The cat is angry at the rat. The cat is subject, is angry, verb. The rat is teasing him, another clause. The rat is subject, is teasing is verb. So these two clauses are joined with the conjunction, joining word, that is because. In this study corner, we are going to talk about conjunctions or joining words that are used to join clauses. There are two clauses. The cat is angry at the rat is teasing him. These two clauses are joined with because, and this conjunction is the part of second clause, because the rat is teasing him. Some other joining words are but, because, so, and, although. There are many more conjunctions, but we are going to discuss because, so, and although. We use because in the sentence, or we use because to join the clauses when we are given reason of something in the second clause. When we are giving reason of first clause, we use the conjunction because. As in the sentence, the girl ran because she was afraid. First clause, we are telling that the girl ran, and in second clause, we are telling why did she run away. She ran away because she was afraid. When we are giving reason, we use because to join clauses. They should take your umbrella because it is raining. In the second clause, because it is raining, we are giving reason. why they should take your umbrella? Because it is raining. So when we are giving reason of something, we use the conjunction because. They stayed in the cave because it was raining. Again, they stayed in the cave. Why did they stay in the cave? Because it was raining. So in this way we use the conjunction because. This is so. We use so in sentences when we give result of something. He ran very fast. So he is running fast. What is the result? We couldn't see him. So we couldn't see him. The result, we couldn't see him because he ran very fast. I have some money, so I want to buy a new car. I have some money. The result is I want to buy a new car. It was raining, so they stayed in the cave. I am ill, so I cannot come to school. The clause that are giving result of something are joined with so. There is difference between use of because and use of so. When we are using because to join clauses, we do not put comma. But when we are using so, we put comma after first clause. Now before so, we put comma. The next is although. When in the second clause we are talking about unexpected incidents, we use the conjunction although. Although I was only 6, I can remember seeing it on TV. This is unexpected result. Somebody who is only 6 years old cannot remember things clearly, but this is unexpected that he has remembered it, so we using although. There are two ways to use although. We can use it at the start of the sentence or in the middle. When we use although at the start, we put comma after first clause. Although they are expensive, they never go out of style. Although she was ill, comma, she worked hard. Unexpected result. Somebody who is ill cannot work hard, but she was ill. Despite of illness, she worked hard. So we are using although when we are talking about unexpected results. Below is an exercise given to practice so, although and because. Read the sentences and fill the blanks with proper conjunction. Everyone enjoyed the trip to the final. We lost the match. Something unexpected had happened. We had lost the match, but we enjoyed. So we are using although we lost the match. Everyone enjoyed the trip to final, although we lost the match. He was far away. He could see that they were watching him, although he was far away. Somebody is watching someone while being far away. It is a difficult thing. It is an unexpected thing. They were rich. They lived a simple life. These are very easy. Do the exercise on your own. Do it on your rough notebooks. So below is a test for you. We have discussed subject and object. What is a subject and what is an object? Read the sentences and underline the subject, and then the sentences are 1, 2 and 3. Again, read the sentences and underline the object. This house is for sale. What is subject? This house. The children are playing in the park. Subject. Find the subject here, underline it. Heavy rains spoiled the crops. Find the subject. Then for object, I love chocolates. The thing upon which we are working. Harry married Katrina. We planted flowers. So one more exercise to test. Underline subject and object in each sentences. The storm uprooted many trees. The storm is subject, trees is object. The cat chased the rat. The cat is subject, the rat is object. Rita got an ice cream for herself. Rita is subject, ice cream is object. Robin Hood looted the rich to help the poor. Robin Hood is subject and rich is object. This was all. Practice a lot. Take a good care. Allah Hafiz.